Look at me, yeah, yeah. Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah. Look at me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today is the moment y'all have been waiting for. Y'all been asking for this, and it's probably like literally my most request thing. I don't know, it's hard to say between this one and the SE. What do you guys request more? But I need a drum roll for this. Let me set this down. Gotta give y'all a good drum roll. Nah, so today we're about to be working on the 300ZX. Everything that I need to do on my end is all complete and it's ready to go. So we're about to be going to pick this thing up. We're taking it to Hex's garage, and then Hex is going to be finishing up the wiring. And then once they're done with the wiring and probably a few fabrication things that I need done to my seats, this thing will be hitting the dyno. So hopefully sometime in February, which is, you know, probably like a week or so away, we'll be having some 300ZX content. Finally about to be having this thing done. Once it's on the dyno, it's like a wrap. After that, we're gonna be seeing some gnarly shit. Finally, we're about to have some drifting content again. That's all I've been waiting for. As soon as this thing's done, it's going to an event, and I'm about to slide this mother. Because a lot of my new subscribers, y'all don't know that, you know, all this building and all the drag race and stuff, and, you know, going fast in straight line, just building cool looking cars, that was, you know, that was new stuff that I incorporated for YouTube. But mainly I am 100% full-fledged. Everything I'm about is drifting. That's why you guys see the way my cars are set up. Everything's built around a drift-based car. Even the SE has front lower control arms, solid rear subframe bushings, solid bushings all the way around. Everything's fully adjustable in that car. So the SE is even set up to be a car that's capable of drifting, but since it has so much raw power, it ended up becoming something that just ended up being on the channel going fast that y'all loved. But you know, everything was slid like based around being able to slide. But anywho, enough talking, enough history. Most of y'all already know this stuff because y'all been fucking with me for so long. But we about to be jumping in the FDZ, heading to the shop, and then we about to go get my 300ZX. That was the whole plan. Remember I told y'all when I got this house, I wanted to park my FD next to my 300ZX in my garage. And right now my FD is parked next to a bunch of shoes. That wasn't the plan, so we need to get that thing done and get it here. Clutch kick. Oh, y'all see that sign? Y'all see that sign? Let me give y'all a close up of that real quick. This ain't no game. This ain't no game. All right, so just pulling up to the shop.
Hi.
What's up?
Good morning. I'm tired.
Yo, we had a long night. No homo. So what y'all didn't see last night, we went and picked up Aaron's LS tree. So Aaron is officially going back to the LS side of things, and we went and picked up his motor. So yeah, Aaron is officially an LS3 owner. Ooh. How's it feel?
Finally.
After
I drove your car, I was like, man, that sold it.
Dude, that's just, man, I'm telling you, the LS3 with the 350Z combo is like perfect.
Yeah, everybody in the comments was like, yeah, do it, don't do it. Oh, you ain't about that. I'm like, man, I'm already looking.
Yeah, nah, this LS3s, bro, I love these things.
Oh, yeah.
I wasn't a believer until I actually drove one, and then when I got one and seen how reliable it was, I'm like, ugh. But yeah, he got a nice little setup right here. It already got the Holley rails, Holley intake manifold, Holley 102, and overall it looks hella clean.
Yeah, he definitely took care of it. He said there's like 30K on the motor, so I mean anybody can say anything, but he seemed pretty legit. So
I don't trust nobody. The G, all these arms and stuff on here, all the Pro-Thing bushings. This thing's about to feel fantastic when it comes back out. Solid diff bushing in there. This thing is gonna feel crazy. It's gonna feel so nimble. But yeah, still might be doing a giveaway on this thing. Somebody's gonna get a well-built car. Motor runs good. Y'all see we're doing all the suspension on it. So yeah, this will be probably my first and only car giveaway. I don't plan on getting rid of too many cars that I build, but I think I want to get rid of this and I want to replace it with a Corvette. So that's kind of why I'm like, all right, let's do the giveaway on it. Here's the Z. This thing is ready to leave. Ooh, bars. We have a few wiring things and then this thing's gonna be ready. Can't wait for this thing to hit the dyno. I'm so interested in seeing what this new Garrett turbo is gonna do. This is the Gen 2 setup, 2867. But we came down from a GT30, which was like an older version of the GT30, so it wasn't like the Gen 1 or Gen 2 or anything special. So this turbo was more refined, so it should make similar power, but I should make a lot more torque. This turbo should come on super quick, which I want for this car. But yeah, baby. Soon. Man. Damn, rookie. You want me to do it?
Yeah, dude.
We gotta do a driver mod, you know what I'm saying?
Yep. Open the door. How do you open this fucking thing?
Is it locked? Unlock it.
Yes. I can't look.
How you have a 300?
You
You used to have a 300 ZX and you. Come on, fucker.
I had the seat where it worked for me. Give me this.
Talking shit. Let me not stall, man.
For the record, he's 6'2", and I'm 5'9", so I couldn't reach the pedals. So yeah. There you go. You're good up front. And it's out.
All right, so tow truck driver here. Hopefully he's down to tow this thing and we don't get no, oh, it's too low bullshit. We ain't trying to hear that. So yeah, let's see what he's talking about. Let me get this thing on here.
That's what I was afraid of doing because I can't even reach the clutch.
Just jump on it really quick. Otherwise it'll spin.
Yeah.
I don't want it to spin either, so it'll spin once you get to the bed. Go. Put the brake on, don't go anywhere.
Waiting for him to strap me down. That way I can let my foot off the brake because, oh, there is no handbrake. It's all good though. Damn, look at them floor mats. Oof. Shout out to NRG. You know what I'm saying? One of my sponsors. I love y'all. Y'all have always taken care of me since day one. Literally hit up NRG like, hey, can I get some lug nuts? On the way. Hey, I need some new seats for the 300ZX. Got them. I need a new steering wheel for the 300ZX. Got it. I need a steering wheel for the 350Z. Got it. So big love to NRG. Thank y'all for always taking care of your boy. Greatly appreciate it. We good?
Yeah.
So after a nice little drive, we here. So this makes 1, the Vet's over here, 2, and the SC. So fuck, 3 cars here now. Ugh.
Come on back. You're good. You're good. You got room. You'll know if you hit something. Go ahead, you got room. Go ahead. Good deal. Good deal. Thank you, man.